Welcome to Shams's Kitchen. How are you everyone? Today we are going to cook Mughlai chicken korma. The word Mughlai means usually very rich and spicy Indian curries where we use cream, milk or yogurt. So we're definitely going to be using a whole lot of spices today. But usually korma is not very spicy hot. It's like mild and sweet kind of curry. So let's go and see what we need. For the chicken korma, Mughlai chicken korma, we're definitely going to be using one curry piece chicken. I have already added 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I'll be mixing it up with some garam masala, actually some special Mughlai garam masala I have, which is this bay leaf, cardamom, cloves, nutmegh, mace and cinnamon stick. I'm just gonna be putting them in the blender to make powder, and then I'll add that spices into this chicken to marinate it for half an hour. And the rest of the spices we're gonna be adding in to cook it. There'll be 2 teaspoons of ghee and few sultanas, definitely ginger and garlic paste, fried onions, milk, almond milk, 1 teaspoon of sugar. So we have here 1 teaspoon of milk, 2 teaspoon of almond milk and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then we have 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, then 1 teaspoon of salt, then half onion slice, just a medium sized one, and here we have 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. We also have taken some onion paste. Here we have 1.5 onion paste. We need that for the gravy. Now let's marinate this one first, and then we're gonna start cooking. This is how it looks after marination. So we'll start cooking with the onions and all other spices to cook first, and after that we're gonna add this chicken. The onion is fried, so we added ginger and garlic into it. So just cook it for maybe 1 minute, should be good enough. Then we can add the rest of the spices, not all of them, half of it. At this point we're gonna be adding the coriander, cumin powder and salt. This will be like a kind of white color curry, so we'll always try to keep it a little bit white. You definitely need to make sure all the time that it doesn't get burned. And to add the chicken, so we will be adding the chicken now. Chicken added, so we'll mix it up, and we're cooking in a slow flame so that it doesn't get burned. So we'll mix it up and leave it for a few minutes. Adding the onion paste now. Time to add some more Mughlai spices, fried onions, and then we have milk, almond milk and sugar. Now we're going to be adding this ghee and sultanas. The last thing is 2 fresh green chili we're going to be adding. This is just for flavor. As you have seen that we haven't put any chili powder. So this is completely sweet kind of curry. There you go, it's ready to serve now. So we will serve and show it to you. Here is our Mughlai chicken korma. Delicious, rich creamy Mughlai chicken korma. Thank you very much for watching. See you all next time. Bye bye.